What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. And today is bittersweet. I'm going through a million emotions right now, but today is gonna be the day the G8 leaves the channel. I know a lot of guys are gonna be upset about it, but trust me when I say this, don't unsubscribe and don't leave, because what we have coming is as equal to this, if not better. But you know, with all that being said, I can show you better than I can tell you. So I'm gonna give you guys, well, it's not really a cold startup, but so we're sitting here. The guy that is buying the G8 is an hour away, flew all the way from St. Louis to Missouri. And you know, part of me really hates to let it go. I know a lot of people are gonna give me a lot of flack about it, but you know, sometimes in life we don't always get what we want. I mean, I've enjoyed the car for 5 years. I got to enjoy it in its prime. I didn't get to, you know, mod it to its full potential, but you know, sometimes in life things throw us curveballs and throw up brick walls, and there's nothing we can do about it. And you have to make choices that you really don't want to make, but you know, it is what it is. You just gotta bite the bullet and keep rolling with the flow, you know. So as you know, this car started this channel for all my OGs that's been here since day one. We've done a few mods to it. We put Cook's headers on it, did the cat delete, it's tuned. What else did we do? Put in a suede headliner in it. But you know, this car is as clean as it was since the day I bought it. And I bought it with 21,000 miles. And I'm letting it go at 47,000 miles. So I've put 26,000 miles on it. Enjoyed every minute of it. And anybody that's looking to buy these cars, if you can find a clean one, jump on it, because they're getting more rare and rare. But with that being said, we're getting a car that's even more rare and is even more iconic than the G8. The G8 will probably never have the recognition that this car has that we're getting, but you know, I mean, I'm kind of at a loss for words, but we'll show you guys the inside of the car and what this guy's going to be getting as soon as I find the keys. You know, I know a lot of low ballers really wanted this car, but I just couldn't let it go for no 10 grand. It wasn't happening. But it's been autographed by Cletus and the gang at Cletus and Cars. The interior is pretty much a 10 out of a 10. There's really no flaws in it whatsoever. We really took care of it. And it was pretty much a garage queen for the most of its life. It still is. But the only flaw was when I was at a parking lot. I parked way out away from everyone else. A guy somehow miraculously goes all the way out to where I was parked and backs into it and messed the fender up right here and a little bit on the headlight. He got it here, but we took some hot water, bent it out. I never did buff it. I should have buffed it. But regardless of all that, the car is still, it's 11 years old and still looks new. So He's getting a damn good car. And it's really heartbreaking to let it go. But time moves on. And I've really been wanting this car that we're getting ever since I was young, just like I did a 3rd gen, and I got a 3rd gen. Well, and the weird thing about it is 5 years ago, almost to the day, is when I got this car. I got this car on September 22nd. I'm selling it on September 12th. So only a 10-day difference to exactly 5 years. We even had it wrapped. A lot of good memories in this car. A lot of good memories with all of the FLP gang. It really brought me a lot of friends. This car really brought me a lot of friends, and awesome friends. I call them family. Yeah. All right, guys, there she goes. Say goodbye. It's kind of hard watching somebody else drive your car. You hope he doesn't burn out. Wave bye-bye. He's gonna do it.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for that video. Man, that video, let me tell you guys, that was a heartbreaking video to even edit. New beginnings. I think Dad was lost for words in that video. He didn't even film the outro, so that's what I'm doing. But just a lot of things happen for a reason, guys. So if y'all ever have that, just go with your gut and come back 20,000 times stronger. The new whip that we got is sitting up there and it's running right now, but you're not going to be able to see that. Dad's going to town to get some stuff for my car because my car's almost done. We're going to crank it up today. But yeah, guys, thank y'all for watching. All the G8 gang, hope y'all stay tuned because we got something that's a banger sitting right there. But yeah, that video should be up hopefully in 2 days from this video or something like that. So catch you guys in the next one. Stay strong, FLP gang. Peace.